All right, it is Copenhagen Fashion Week, and I'm going to show you how to dress like a Danish fashion influencer. Stitch this and follow along. Step 1, grab a maxi dress. The more ruffles and patterns and volume, the better. Up next is a pair of socks or tights in a color that doesn't match the dress. Then you're going to want to grab your pair of ugliest running shoes. On top of the dress, you're going to add a knit layer, a vest or cardigan works, then a balaclava, some ugly chunky glasses, an oversized dress coat of any color. It's business and party, baby. And then a slouchy, neutral, oversized bag. And that's the look. As they say in Copenhagen, say no.